Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove repost on TikTok. Make sure you stick till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's straight into it. Once you open the TikTok app, make sure to log in to your account. Now in order to repost your video, tap on share icon on the bottom right of the screen. Here you can see a loop icon which says repost. Tap on it and here you can see your video has been reposted. If you want to delete repost, again tap on share icon and tap on remove post on the top left of the menu. And this is the only way to delete repost on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.